Hi everybody, my name is Amanda. I am a realtor at Preferred Real Estate Brokers. I'm going to show you this beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home behind me. I'll turn the camera around and we'll have a look at the community and go inside. There's an airplane flying above us, so it's a little loud. This home is just a little over 1,800 square foot. And the price range is between $270 and $280. We come into the front door. And over here to the right, we have a bedroom. Closet. Bathroom over here. And another bedroom. Storage closet. Bedroom or office. Can be either. It does have a closet. We have our laundry room. Coming into the kitchen. Over to our pantry. Dining room over here. Opening up outside. Into your family room. And then over here we have our master bedroom. Coming into our master bathroom, you have a walk-in shower, double vanity, nice big closet here. Toilet, and then the walk-in closet. So that is the home. You've had your tour, and I'd love to bring you out here and show you around. My number is 407-616-6271, and my name is Amanda.